In this video we are talking about of how high Fetch.Ai will go in the 2024 bull market. I share my Fetch.Ai price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Fetch.Ai to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Fetch.Ai is on place 102 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $550 million. The coin is existent since 2019 and we built the all-time high in 2021. After we built the all-time high in 2021, we then saw this crash to the downside, and after we saw this longer bearish trend to the downside, we moved into this demand zone, because from this demand zone we saw this push into this highs. And as we came into this demand zone, we found some bullish support right here. We also broke this last high right here with this wick, but often if we are seeing massive wicks like this over important highs, then the chances high that we move to the opposite direction. And we also retested this supply zone and saw this rejection. But after this consolidation right here, we then saw this move to the upside, and we now also broke this last high and this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, and that's a very bullish sign for Fetch.Ai. And as you can see, the all-time high is not far away from the prices right now, and I think this is a very bullish sign for Fetch.Ai, because most altcoins are very far away from their all-time high, but Fetch.Ai is very bullish. From the prices right now to the all-time high, we have a potential of 80%. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, then I think the first really interesting price target is this high right here. Because after we saw this high, we then saw the strong bearish reaction to the downside. And over this important highs, there's also much liquidity. So the chance that we are reaching this goal is very high. And the chances high after reaching this price target that we see a larger pullback. Because as I said, often there's much liquidity and many people are taking some profits right here. So the chance for a pullback is there. And if we then see an acceptance over this last highs, then of course the next interesting price target is this all-time high right here. But the best coins are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think Fetch.Ai has the chance to explode over this last all-time high. Because Fetch.Ai is a great project with very nice fundamentals in the AI space. And as you all know, AI is the future. So I'm very bullish on AI coins and especially Fetch. And now we are looking for potential price targets for the bull run. Because again, Fetch.Ai is on place 102 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 550 million. And if we just have a look at the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies, we would have a market cap of $5 million. And if Fetch.Ai would just reach the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies, we would have a market cap of $5 billion. So this is nearly a 10x. But of course, if the total crypto market cap would increase and also explode over their last all-time high, what you can see here, then the potential for Fetch.Ai could be even higher than 10x. And here you can see the chart of the total crypto market cap. And we are now starting this bullish move to the upside. And I think the chances high that we can reach this kind of price targets for the bull run, especially if much money comes from retailers and institutions into the crypto market, then I think it's very realistic that we are breaking this last all-time high to the upside. So I think that a price of $7 is very realistic for Fetch.Ai. And from the prices right now to the $7, we would have a potential of 940%. I also could imagine that Fetch.Ai also reaches even higher prices. But the question is if we are reaching this kind of price targets in this bull run or in the bull run after that. So I think this price target is very realistic for the next bull run in 2024. And this would be already a great deal for Fetch.Ai. So now we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Fetch.Ai. I think this prices right here are already a great chance to buy Fetch, because we are in a clear bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. And we broke this important supply zone to the upside and also retested it. So the chance that we now see even higher prices is there. So if you're not invested in Fetch.Ai yet, I think these prices are a great chance to move into a hodl position. But if we see even lower prices on Fetch, then I think that this order block would be a very great potential buy area, because this order block was the beginning of this massive push to the upside and we broke the supply zone. So the chance if we are coming back into this order block and if we are not breaking it to the downside and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a very great deal to buy some coins for Fetch.Ai for the long term. Of course, if you get even lower prices, the potential you get to the upside is very high or even higher. But I think this area is a great technical area to buy some coins for the long term. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Fetch, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for Fetch.Ai. If you want to see my Celestia price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.